Hey you guys, I've got a Quagmire soundboard and a whole bunch of different soundboards thanks to the internet.
And we're gonna prank call people.
And we're gonna prank call McDonald's and all those and, you know, mess with their heads.
You're gonna prank call McDonald's?
I thought about it.
Do it. What? What are you talking about?
I don't even know what she's talking about.
Me either.
Damn, this itches.
Hold
See, it's still there. Let's see when I click over here.
Ow! That was strangely arousing. You win! You win! Hey, you must be a parking ticket, because you got fine written all over you.
Let's see here.
McDonald's, Josh, can I help you?
Hi, I'm Quagmire.
Hello?
Hey there. Hey there, sweetie. How old are you?
16.
18. You're first.
Mom!
Oh, what is that? I see him back.
He was still listening. I think he was laughing.
Hi, I'm Quagmire.
Hello?
Hi, I'm Quagmire.
I'm calling you, Alan. I'm going to block, so I can't have no restricted calls to me and do.
Hey there, sweetie. How old are you? You're right, this place blows. 18. You're first. I like where this is going.
Oh,
Oh, now see, I think that's a neat idea. No! Yeah, let's hit the bar, huh?
that's what we call.
Who on Facebook has their number that we can prank call?
I keep calling Dustin Tate. I'll leave him a voicemail.
Wait, these kids are always on Facebook talking about people.
Hey there,
prank calling
sweetie.
them.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know who this is, but it's really funny. Like, I want to prank call them. Hi, I'm Quagmire.
Hey there, sweetie. Hey there. 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 Hey there.
Your call has been forwarded to
Listen.
an automatic voice message system. 2766397.
Is it still recording?
Whoa, transvestite, back off.
Available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
To leave a callback.
Hi, I'm Quagmire. How old are you? 18. You're first. Hello, 911? Hello, 911? Where have I heard that before? That's awful. That's awful. No problem. Whoa, transvestite, back off. Wait a sec. Pre-op or post-op? Pre-op. Whoa, transvestite, back off. You're right, this place blows.
Call that number. Seven 882 6524. Oh, that's like anything. Oh my gosh, and I know another one.
Hello?
Hi, I'm Quagmire.
What?
Hi, I'm Quagmire.
Nathan Wright. You got something fucked up.
How about now? How good are you?
He hung up.
He said Nathan. He must have been talking about Nathan Trump. Oh my
Hey, honey, why don't you turn around and show me the Lower East Side?
Crap, it's on my iPhone. I forgot.
Hey, Hey there, sweetie.
What?
Hey there, sweetie.
What's that?
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 3.5.
Whoa, transvestite, back off.
What the fuck?
I don't know, fellas. I think there's potential in this crowd. Check me out.
Is this those bitches that called us last night?
Yeah, let's hit the bar, huh?
If this is those bitches, holy shit.
I like where this is going. Giggity-giggity-giggity-giggity-giggity-goo.
Oh, let me hear something else. Hold up.
Whoa, transvestite, back off. There's no more girly magazines in the camp. Hey, you must be a parking ticket, because you got fine written all over you. Oh, now see, I think that's a neat idea. I felt guilty once, but she woke up halfway through.
Okay,
It's
well,
Quagmire.
I'm gonna get back to talking to this other person. I'm gonna let y'all go, okay?
Thanks.
Okay, have fun.
I'm 3.5.
Is that still recording?
Yeah.
Oh,
I love this.
now let's see here we go.
Hey, you guys!
Hey there.
Oh,
Hey there, hey there, hey there, hey there, hey there, hey there.
hey there. I got another one. Where's my contacts? Oh. I have this one. Wait.
Where's that? Where's that? Andrew Underwood? 2, 1, 9, 13, 12. 12 left on my phone.
Hello?
Hi, I'm Quagmire. How old are you? Hey there. It's Quagmire.
Hello?
The hell, did I just get laid? Yeah. Please?
Hello?
Hi, I'm Quagmire. Now, you could whore yourself out to 1,000 fat chicks for $50 a piece. Or 50 really fat chicks for $1,000. Hey there. How old are you? Hey there, sweetie. Hey there, sweetie. How old are you? You're first. I like where this is going. It's Quagmire. Hey, you must be a parking ticket, because you got fine written all over you. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. Fat chicks need love too. But they gotta pay. Whoa, transvestite, back off.
Hang up. Hang on, someone posted. Does anyone remember that old Rocky cartoon, Rocky and Bullwinkle? Fucking tools.
I have another one.
Bradley Howard? 76594 8307.
Hey there. Hey there. Hey there.
Hello?
Hi, I'm Quagmire.
Huh?
Hi, I'm Quagmire. Hi, I'm Quagmire. How old are you?
What?
How old are you? Quagmire.
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm Brad.
You're first. I like where this is going. Yeah, you could whore yourself out to 1,000 fat chicks for $50 a piece. Or 50 really fat chicks for $1,000 bucks.
I can't understand what you're saying.
Yeah, you could whore yourself out to 1,000 fat chicks for $50 a piece.
Okay.
Or 50 really fat chicks for $1,000 bucks.
What?
Or 50 really fat chicks for $1,000 bucks. Fat chicks need love too. But they gotta pay. Whoa, transvestite, back off. Sure.
Say something.
You're right, this place blows.
What?
That was strangely arousing. I'm in!
It's boom!
Why did they come out of their day to call you?
It's Quagmire. That's awful. That's awful. Damn, this itches.
I love these guys.
I wonder who gave it to me. Probably that skank who needed a ride to the gas station. How old are you?
Quagmire told me.
How old are you? Giggity, 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 giggity. Hey, honey, why don't you turn around and show me the Lower East Side?
Quagmire, Billy. I'm so fucking blue.
Hey there.
Oh, this.
How good are you?
Oh. I got, yeah, John. I can't think of anything.
I can bench press 800 pounds.
I did this one. I know that I can do it. Well,
Yeah.
Alright, is it gonna be glorious?
Hey there.
Go on here.
I like where this is going.
Gets off the phone and takes everything giggity.
Where have I heard that before? I don't know, fellas. I think there's potential in this crowd. I felt guilty once, but she woke up halfway through.
Okay. No.
They're getting bored.
I got bored. That was funny. Because, oh god, it's a Quagmire.
I'm talking to Quagmire.
Peter Griffin now I'm gonna call him. Damn it, I can't see it.
Giggity.
Who is this? It's Quagmire.
Giggity.
Giggity. How old are you? This is Brad. Does Brad work at McDonald's?
Yes.
Next time I go in there, I'm gonna be like, Quagmire call you?
I texted him and said, giggity. That was hilarious.